Hi everyone, my name is Alexander Castro Guarnizo. I am 34 years old. I live in Soacha. I am single. I am technician in medical gases. My academic background, well, I done my primary in the Jesus Maria school. My high school I done in the Japan school. I study a technician in medical gases at Linde Oxygen Group. My hobbies, my first hobby is soccer. I am goalkeeper. I love cycling too. My work experience. I was messenger in the spare parts. Late I work in the warehouse of the spare parts. Late I work in the maintenance in the Hospital Universitario of San Jose. I have brown eyes. My hair is brown. I am clear skin. My weight is 86. My height is 1 meter 80 centimeters. Skills, I am very persistent. I every have a smile in my face. I learn fast. I am a perfectionist. And I am proactive person. My weakness, well, I am uncompromising when I think I'm right. I have difficult to work in group. My mood changes easily. When something suits me, I am very selfish. Well, the job that I want, when I finish my degree, I want to do the same thing, but just professional. I think that the medical gases is important in my country, and in my city I do the same thing. Thank you everyone, it was a pleasure. See ya.